Guys, so today I'm doing a 2, maybe 3 day vlog because I'm going to a bonfire tonight, a bonfire with my friends tomorrow night, and then I'm sleeping at Lucy's afterwards. So I thought that I would vlog and take you guys along with me. And this is my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this coat from a shop called Bank, which is now unfortunately shut down. Then I'm wearing a pair of Topshop mom jeans with a Topshop polo neck tucked into it, and then I'll probably wear my Doc Marten school shoe thingies, and I'm not sure how I feel about this outfit. Yeah, we're about to go. I think I like my outfit. On my lips I have the Brick lip liner and then the Diva lipstick, which is my favourite at the moment, and it goes so well with this top. I just love it. It's so cute. Oh, I've just got lipstick all over you, Alice. Yeah. So we are back home now. Please excuse my lipstick. We didn't stay for too long. We only stayed for about an hour and a half-ish. Because the main reason we went was to see the fireworks, which were really good, and I inserted quite a lot of clips in them of them. But I'm gonna go now, and then I will continue this vlog tomorrow when I'm either about to go to Lucy's or at Lucy's before we go to the second bonfire night thingy. So I will see you then. Hey guys, so I'm at Lucy's now. It is now the night where we're going to the second bonfire, and I'm at Lucy's. Hello. I've actually been here for like 2 hours, but I just completely forgot that I was vlogging. And yeah, we're about to go to the bonfire. What time is it? There's a clock there. We're meant to be meeting them at 6:30, and it's currently 20 past, so we should probably leave. So we're about to go now. Look how fluffy her lid is. Her lid! Oh god, we are walking to the bonfire. We probably look really greasy right now, and probably have a lot of chins like I did in the vlog last night. But yeah, we're walking to the bonfire, and I thought I'd vlog now because I'm not really gonna vlog like this very much when we actually get there. I'm not just gonna walk around like this because it's all cozy. Just like, oh, oh, look at it! Hello. Hello. She's walking. Can we go to the trampolines?
This is quiet, I like it.
Oh my god, I just saw one like that. If my camera was... Yeah, I know. Oh my god, there's something like digging into your back! No, my coat. It's really good. So, we are currently laying in bed watching The Last of Us series. I've already seen it, but Lucy hasn't. And it's my favourite, so we're rewatching it. Well, I'm rewatching it, Lucy isn't. But it's my favourite series on his channel. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it, because it's really good. And he's just died. Again. Again. We're, again, laying in bed, but we're watching one of those fail compilation, whatever you want to call it, videos, because on every single sleepover we watch one of these. And they just give us a right giggle. It's a really unflattering angle. It is. Every single angle of this vlog has been unflattering. Nice. What even just... Oh my god. Hey guys, so I haven't vlogged today, but, oh sorry, it is currently, what time is it? It's like 3. It's like 3:15. Hey guys, so I'm like about to go, my nan and granddad are like on the way to collect me now. So I am back home now, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm here with my cat Dusty. She keeps running away to next door, so I literally just had to like grab her when she was running and like put her in the house because I didn't want her to run away because she's my favourite cat. Aren't you? You're my little baby. You can't run away. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog now. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below. And if you guys would like more vlogs, then let me know because I will vlog more if you'd like me to. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I've got cat fur all over me now. Nice. So yeah, I'm going to go now. Thank you for watching.